Hey viewers, I've been working on cleaning up this vintage Italian road bike here, and the chain is really dirty and greasy, so I want to get it cleaned up. But before I do that, I want to check to make sure that it's actually worth cleaning. So I got a chain gauge here to see if it's like worn out, like stretched or anything, and that doesn't go down. That doesn't go down. I always check it in multiple places, and that doesn't go down. So it looks like the chain is not stretched. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that and show you the process. Just so you can see how dirty this thing is, I'll go ahead and rub paper towel along here. And so, yeah, it's pretty dirty. Now, my preferred method to clean a chain is to use a chain scrubber. This one's made by Park Tool, but they're made by other companies as well, and they're not that expensive. So I need to fill the scrubber with degreaser, and so I'm going to be using this awesome orange stuff. I got this at dollar store, whole bottle for $1, and so I'll just go ahead and put it into the chain scrubber. And there's a line in there to fill up, so it's a little bit above the line, but that'll be okay. I'm doing this outside because it tends to be very messy, so I don't want to get it all over my garage. Okay, so I'm going to take the chain scrubber and I'm going to put it on the bottom part of the chain down here, and take the little top part and clamp this on with these little wire clips like that. And so now I want to be able to pedal this in reverse. Now if you look at the degreaser in there, it's just really ugly in there, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this out and put some fresh degreaser in there. Okay, so I've already gone through like probably about 4 or 5 passes so far, and each time the chain is getting cleaner and cleaner. The degreaser is still coming out pretty dirty, so I'm going to run it through maybe one more time and then see how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and continue the cleaning. Yeah, it's looking much nicer now. Okay, so now I want to clean out the degreaser. So what I've done is I've washed out the scrubber and I filled it with just fresh water. And so I'll run this through and kind of get all the degreaser off the chain. Okay, so after 4 passes with water in the scrubber, the water is staying relatively clean. So now I want to try to get the water off of there. So now I'm going to just take a clean shop rag, wrap it around the chain, and run the chain through this and try to get as much of the water off of there as I can. So now that I've cleaned the chain and it's nice and clean, I need to lube this chain. And so there's all kinds of different lubricants out there, but I use some just real basic wet and dry ones. Wet is for like extreme conditions, like if you're going to be riding in snow and mud and everything like that, you probably want to use that. Or dry is just more general use, so like riding just dry and rain and stuff like that. This is what I use. So I'm going to use the dry. And before I start putting that on, I want to put a little mark on the chain so I know where I started at. So I have like a little black felt tip marker here. And so it's just put like a little mark on this link right there. And so I'm going to shake up the lubricant here and put 1 drop per link. So like right at the pivot, the little pin. So just 1 drip, 1 drop, 1 drop, 1 drop, 1 drop, 1 drop. Go around and just keep doing 1 drop per pin. Okay, so there's the mark. So now I've gone all the way around the chain. So now I want to work the lube into the chain, so I'm going to just pedal it. And then I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe off some of the excess. Just run the chain through there. I'm going to go in reverse, just easier. And you don't have to go overboard on wiping it off. Just kind of go through a little bit. And it's done. So that is how I clean and lube a chain. I know there's other methods out there. Some of them involve removing the chain, soaking it in a can, heating it, doing all kinds of stuff. But this is how I do it. How do you guys do it? Post down in the comments. Let me know. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful or interesting. Please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there and be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post stuff over there as well. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.